Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to fix send later not showing in messages. Let's get started. First, open your Messenger app or the WhatsApp Messenger on your phone. Then here, try to start a new message. Then look for the send later or schedule send option. If it's missing, try these fixes. Here you can update your app. Go to your Play Store and search for the Messenger WhatsApp and tap Update. And here you can also check the feature availability. Make sure that you're using a default app, and also you can restart your phone and reopen messages to refresh features. If it's still missing, try clearing the cache or data or installing the app. And that's it. After updating and enabling the correct app, the send later option should appear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.